Hi, I'm Mike Nelson with Boomerang Musical Products, and this will be my 15 minutes of fame as predicted by Andy Warhol. I'm pleased to be showing you the Boomerang 3 phrase sampler, which was introduced in September 2009. This pedal has 4 play styles so that you can play your loops one after the other. You can play all 4 loops at once in a synchronized fashion, and you can play all 4 loops at once in a free fashion where they're totally free to drift apart. And there's yet one more play style, and that is a serial sync, which is sort of a combination of 2 of the others. So let's go check it out. The Boomerang 3 has many capabilities, and here's some of the high points. It has absolutely pristine sound, will not change your tone at all. The sampling is 48 kilohertz with 20-bit samples, which is way beyond CD quality. Another great feature of the Boomerang phrase sampler is you can erase loops while other loops play. You can have 2 or 3 loops playing, erase one, and then re-record it if you like and have it play along with the others. So let's see what the 3 does right out of the box. With no programming, we're not going to touch any of the finger buttons or the knobs. We're just going to use the 5-foot button. So let's record a loop. 1 press to start recording and 1 tap, and the loop will play back for us. Now there you go, we got the loop playing back. Now I'm going to stack a part, a second part on that loop using the stack function. You can see the stack light blinking, so now let's add a little part. So I got 2 parts going. And I can bring that second part, I can take it out, bring it in, using the undo function. All right, we're back to just 1 part. Now I'm going to bring it back in. There you go. So we got 2 parts going. The second one we can remove and then add it back in. You can play along with it. Have a happy old time. Alrighty, now I'll tell you what, we're going to erase that loop. I'm going to stop it and I'm going to erase it. Tap the erase function. You can see the erase light is blinking. I'm going to tap this loop. Boom, it's gone. Never to be recovered again. Now I'm going to create 3 loops in rapid succession just to show you how easy it is to record like a verse, a chorus, a bridge. It's going to take a total of 4 button taps, and I'll have 3 loops, and one of them will be playing. So here we go. It'll just be some simple chords. Let's say that's our verse. And that's our chorus. And that's our bridge. Now we're going to go back to the verse. So there's my verse. Let that play as many times as I want. Then I'm going to go to the chorus. Now I'm going to go back to the verse. All right, let's go to the bridge. Back to the verse. There you go. Now I can erase loops while loops are playing. Tap the erase button, the erase light blinks. Now I select a loop to erase. So we just lost our chorus. Still got our bridge. Alrighty. Tight ending, huh? Whole band stopped at once. Now you can erase more than 1 loop at once, so let's show that. I'm going to hold down the erase button rather than just tapping it, and you see the red lights go out. We just lost our loops. Now here's something you can do with the Boomerang right out of the box. It's a little bit more complex, but hang with me on this. We're going to make a master loop, a short percussive loop that'll support the other loops. We call the other loops recorded after the master slave loops, and they all have to be a multiple of the length of the master. So if the master's 5 seconds, the slaves have to be 5, 10, 15 seconds, and so on. Here's how it works. We'll record loop 3 first, and that makes it become the master. Now I'm going to add another part to it with the stack function. Of course, I have to have the stack function active. All right, there we go. Now let's make a couple of slave loops. Let's make a second part to this little song. Alrighty, there we go. We got 2 parts of a song going now. I can bounce back and forth between them. And notice that that short percussive backing is always going on back there in the background. That's back there driving the tune. I'm going to add a little bass part to that. Let's go to our bridge and add another part. Alrighty, now comes the fun. We just jam out. All right, we're going to go back to the verse. Bridge. Alrighty, Boomerang phrase sampler will help you improve your playing. It will help you improve your lead playing when you solo over chords. It's great for helping you write songs, way to practice your licks, way to work out parts for songs, and of course as a live performance tool, a solo or a duo group can add all kinds of backing and extra tracks, so essentially you can clone yourself. So that's the basics of the Boomerang 3 phrase sampler. Hope you enjoyed this little show. Thanks. Mike Nelson for Boomerang Musical Products. Now those are just some of the features. You can go to our website and we list everything that the Boomerang can do. The entire user manual is there as well. So go check it out.